Subscribe.
Subscribe.
So welcome back, viewers, and today we're certainly going to get our Nissan GA15 engine, get it started. It's just a cold day, or rather just a cool day, so we expect everything just to get working. Without so much talk, let's get into business. Of course, everything is right: our engine, our battery, and here is our throttle assembly. So here's the computer box on our GA15 engine. Definitely, this is like the brain of our machine. It communicates all the signals to the engine, and relating to how the driver gets the car moving on the road. And this is our compartment that gets on that side. I'm sorry about the shaky movement, but for now we need to get some work done, like getting some tape on these wires and just getting it in order. Yeah, so let's fix it.